Running a cleaning business isn't easy. You work hard to get a customer. You clean their home or office. They say, great job, and then you never hear from them again. Sound familiar? Let's see if BizClearAI can help turn one-time customers into loyal, repeat clients. We are building a simple marketing plan for a local cleaning company, Sparkle Clean Services. Not a huge company, just a small business that wants more repeat customers. We'll use 5 BizClearAI prompts to solve one problem. How do we keep customers coming back? Before we start generating ideas, let's give BizClearAI a little context. We'll create a business BIO for our cleaning company. We'll enter the business name, location, and industry. Then we'll set our current stage as early revenue. Next, we'll describe our target audience, busy homeowners and small business offices. Now every prompt we use is built around our business, our goals, and our customers, instead of generic advice. The first thing we need is the right pricing strategy. Because many cleaning businesses charge one flat rate and hope it's enough. But the right pricing strategy can do much more than cover costs. It can encourage customers to book again and increase the value of every visit. Let's open the pricing strategy prompt. Because BizClearAI already knows our business, it creates pricing recommendations tailored to our company. Instead of giving us just one answer, it presents several pricing strategies, highlights the pros and cons. Now we can compare our options and choose the pricing model that best supports recurring customers and long-term growth. Now that we've built a pricing strategy, we need people to discover our business. Instead of trying to come up with marketing ideas on our own, let's open Generate 5 marketing campaign ideas. Within seconds, BizClearAI creates 5 complete campaign concepts built around our business. Each campaign includes the theme, promotional offers, marketing channels, and messaging. Now we can compare several strategies and choose the one that fits our business best. It's a complete roadmap instead of guessing where to start. Our marketing campaigns are bringing in new customers. The next question is, how do we encourage those happy customers to tell other people about us? That's exactly what the customer referral program helps us build. BizClearAI creates a complete referral strategy. It suggests reward programs, creative promotion ideas, and even the best time to ask for referrals. It even includes email templates that make the process seamless. Now we're not hoping customers recommend us. We have a clear plan. It's rewarding for everyone and makes growing through word of mouth easy. Now we're getting inquiries and new customers, but here's where many businesses lose them. The conversation ends too soon. Let's see how BizClearAI helps us stay connected. Every new customer starts with a conversation. Let's open the customer follow-up email sequence prompt. BizClearAI creates a professional email that thanks the customer, summarizes the discussion, and outlines next steps. It includes placeholders for service details and a clear call to action. A simple follow-up builds trust and makes it easier to turn prospects into paying customers. At this point, we've improved our pricing, attracted new customers, and built a professional follow-up process. There's one final opportunity. How do we increase revenue without constantly finding new customers? That's where the upsell strategy comes in. BizClearAI recommends services like deep cleaning or seasonal packages. It provides ready-to-use example scripts, so you're not guessing how to sell more. You're giving customers helpful options at the right time while increasing revenue from every visit. In just a few minutes, we've built a complete marketing plan for a cleaning business. It doesn't just generate ideas, it helps us build a practical plan, one step at a time. If you're ready to spend less time guessing and more time growing, explore what BizClearAI can build for your business.